Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2019 Citroen Relay. So from any screen, if you click on nav, you see nav, it comes up there, navigate to. If by any chance it's on view map or the map's there, if you just click nav again, it takes you back to navigate to. We go to navigate to. You've got home, favorites, address here, points of interest. So into address, and then city postcode at the top there. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatneydale, Preston, PR. We have to go to numbers, so 1, 2, 3 is there. We'll click on that. So PR5, 4. Go back to letters, ABC at the bottom, and then J and S if I can see it, which is there. So that's it. It's showing PR5 4JS, which is Chorley Road. So if we click on that, it's thinking about it. It's asking me for a house number, but there's no house number, so I'll click done. That's on the radio, so we'll forget that. So click done. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile phone from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Citroen. So from any screen here, if we go to phone, you'll see there no phones connected at the moment, but you've got settings in the corner. So if we go to settings, you'll see Barry's iPhone there, the only one that's paired to it. Click on that and you've got connect or delete device. Delete device, delete Barry's iPhone 11 from the phone and audio device listing. Yes, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Citroen Relay. So from any screen we need to go to Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom for Bluetooth. But in the meantime, we go over here, I'll just change the screen. So from any screen onto phone, no phone connected, pair a phone, yes. Pairing in process, or progress, or whatever. So Bluetooth pairing, start pairing procedure on phone or Bluetooth device. Vehicle device name, my car, PN453. We'll just wait for the phone here, and there you go, my car's come up. We'll click on my car. Bluetooth pairing request 199248. Does your device display pin number 199248? Yes, and also pair. Now I won't be using this again, so I'm going to click don't allow here for contacts and favorites to sync, but you'd be clicking allow, and you see there my car's connected. The audio system's connected to the phone. We just have to click, you see there, Bluetooth pairing successful, make this your favorite. So that's if two of you get in and your phones are both paired to the system, yours will take priority. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? No, I don't, but you probably would. So that's it. That's the phone's ready. Now, if you go to iTunes, you see at the bottom my car, the silver triangle and 3 silver circles. I'll just turn it down, but there's a tick by my car. That's the system in here. So we'll click play on here, and we'll go over to the radio, click media, and you see there it's on my phone. But if it's not showing Bluetooth, if you click source, it gives you, say you've got a USB in or SD card, something like that, you just select Bluetooth. This is on my phone. We'll turn it up. I'm controlling the volume from my iPhone, so when I turn this up, that's it. That's my phone playing through the audio system. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.